What is up today, guys? We're going to be playing APM, and yes, I kind of changed my avatar. It's rainbow, so we're going to be playing APM. I am in the corn thing, so I'm opening that. I'm going to fill it. As you can tell, it's filling up. It doesn't show it, but yes, it's filling up. Let me fill it up. You can't see it right now, but okay, so we're at the mill base right now. And we're just showing around. Okay, so we're at the mill base right now. We're going to go into pretty much. So we're going to go to my house really quick. Might take a minute. So yeah, I'm just going to talk about my house. Today we're just going to probably just go on trails and stuff. So right now we're just riding around. Not that good of a view, but good view of this handsome guy. Okay, so we're out there. Might take a minute. Oh no. Yep, we're here, pretty much. Okay, so we're going to take a left up here. Yep, you see my house right over there. And here we go. We are going to go to the house. Here's my truck. I'm going to show you this. It's just a video of me showing you my house. Here's the porch. Here's here, and yep, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe.